Hello, I'm Alex from SoftExpert, and I'm going to show you how artificial intelligence is transforming process modeling in version 3.0 of SoftExpert Suite. Now you can create processes from instructions using the AI-powered chat integrated into the SoftExpert process product. This reduces technical complexity and speeds up the time needed to create an initial workflow. Now let's see this in practice. When you access the process menu and click on Create, you'll find the option with Artificial Intelligence Assistant. Through this option, the user interacts directly with the chat to request the creation of the process. For example, we can request the creation of a corporate travel request process. Based on this instruction, the AI interprets the text, proposes the process steps, and automatically generates the flowchart for validation. This is intended to speed up the initial creation of the process and support users who are not proficient in BPMN modeling. If the generated process does not fully meet your needs, you can request a new response or add more instructions to refine the workflow. When the process is ready, just click on Create New Process to save it in the system. Once the process has been created, the next step in automation is defining the forms that will collect information throughout the workflow. This is where SoftExpert Forms connects directly to the process, allowing you to structure responsive forms aligned with BPM execution. Now, with the AI feature, form creation can also be done via chat, reducing the time needed to create them. In the solution, when accessing the form editor, you can identify the new Edit with AI button. With this button, you can request the creation of a new form or add elements to an existing form. For example, we can ask to create a travel expense form with fields for date, description, financial impact, and justification. Here, artificial intelligence automatically generates the structure of the form. It defines the fields, data types, and their properties. This helps reduce configuration errors and speeds up the creation of forms aligned with the process. The chat also allows you to create complete rules, making fields mandatory or hiding certain items. For example, let's make the justification field mandatory when the financial impact is greater than $1,000. From there, the rule is created automatically, including the necessary triggers for it to work, and can be viewed in the Rules field. This guides the user in filling out the form, reducing manual interactions, and minimizing data inconsistencies. Today, you can see how the AI features integrated into SoftExpert make process automation simpler, more structured, and more efficient. Now, the next step is to apply these concepts to your company's reality, supporting the creation, management, and execution of processes in an integrated way. Talk to SoftExpert and find out how to start your automation journey with artificial intelligence using SoftExpert Process and SoftExpert Forms. If you're curious and want to learn more about the new features of the tool, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive more tutorials and tips about SoftExpert Suite 3.0.